Okay, numbers 1e and 1f both have x's in the denominator. When you have x's in the denominator, you want to cancel them out by multiplying by the expression in the denominator. So for example, the expression in this denominator is 3x plus 2. So we're going to multiply both sides of the equal sign by 3x plus 2. And this side by 3x plus 2. So when we do that, look at what happens. This 3x plus 2 cancels that 3x plus 2. And you're just left with a 25 on the left-hand side. Now, the danger in doing this is if your solution makes the denominator in the original expression 0, it's called the extraneous solution, which is a fake solution. So we have to go back and check it later on after we get our solution. So on the right-hand side, we distribute in a 5, giving us 15x plus 10. And now we're ready to solve. These are properties of equality. So we take away 10 from both sides. So 15 is equal to 15x. And if you divide by 15, x is equal to 1. So like I said, we have to go back and check by substituting our value back into the original expression. 25 over 3 times 1 plus 2 is equal to 5. So if we work this out, 3 times 1 plus 2, 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. So 25 over 5 is equal to 5. So this is good because not only is our denominator not equal to 0, but it also makes this a true statement. So x equals 1 is perfect, and we're going to put that in set notation, just like that. So we're going to do the same game plan for f. The expression in the denominator is 2x plus 5, so we're going to multiply this side by 2x plus 5 and multiply the right-hand side by 2x plus 5. So again, denominators cancel. We'll have to go back and check later. The distributive property will give us 18x plus 45. Now when you minus 45 from both sides, you get, well, I'm going to have to do this off to the side here. 45 minus 18 is 27. So this is going to be a negative 27 because I'm taking away more than I have. Equals 18x. And since x is being multiplied by 18, you divide by 18. And negative 27 divided by 18. This could be simplified. They're both divisible by 3. Actually, they're both divisible by 9. If I simplify negative 27 over 18 by dividing the top and the bottom by 9, I get negative 3 over 2. So x is equal to negative 3 over 2. And before I throw that in set notation, we're going to go ahead and check it. 18 over 2 times negative 3 over 2. Look at the original equation. Plus 5 equals 9. So 2 over 1 times negative 3 over 2. 2 times 3 is negative 6 over 2 plus 5 does not equal 0. This does not make the denominator equal 0. Therefore, this is a viable solution. So our solution is negative 3 over 2, or negative 1.5.